Hey there YouTube, it's Beerblush Chanel here, and today I'm going to show you all how to remove gel polish. So as long as you remove gel polish carefully and correctly, there will be little to no damage to your natural nail. That's a big myth with gel polish, is that people think removing it or just putting it on damages your nail, but it really doesn't. So you may have seen these lava lamp nails. I love them to death, but I am going to use them as an example to show you how to remove gel polish. I will actually be showing you two different ways though. So the first thing you're going to do is just start filing the nails, because you got to get through that top coat so that you can soak the gel polish below it. In this case, I know that there is a white base coat underneath this design, so I'm just trying to make sure that I file down at least to that white base coat, just to make things a little easier. If you only have hand files, that's totally fine, you can use those as well, but obviously an e-file is going to be the easiest and fastest way to do this. So next up, you're going to want pure acetone. You have to have pure acetone for this to work. It is not going to work with like nail polish remover or anything like that. So this first method, I have these little nice things to soak my nails in, but you could obviously use just like a bowl or anything like that. You don't have to have these special little things. Just anything to be able to soak your nails in. So we're going to fill them up with pure acetone and just stick your nails in. And I always soak my gel polish for 20 minutes, but you could probably get away with 15 minutes. So next up is going to be the wrap method. You don't have to have these little special things that I have here that already have the cotton pad in them. You could just get some aluminum foil and a cotton pad, and that would work perfectly fine as well. So you're just going to soak the cotton in pure acetone once again and wrap your finger up with the cotton part on the fingernail. Now once again, this is after you have filed the top coat down as well. And we're just going to do it to all the fingers once again, and also once again you're going to soak it for about 20 minutes. Now once you've soaked the polish, that's whenever you're going to want to get a little tool and start gently scraping what's left on your nail off. Now it's hard to tell here, but I am just very gently scraping the nail. You don't want to push or like force the gel polish off. If it is not coming off with a gentle scrape, you need to just soak it for a little bit longer, because some people won't even use a metal tool for this. I just find it easier, and it's one of the tools that I have, simply because it's just so easy to accidentally chip your actual nail if you're just a little bit too rough whenever you're taking it off. That's why I say make sure to go as gently as possible. And there they are, that's what they look like now. Now your fingers are going to be a little dry from the acetone, so I recommend just putting some cuticle oil on them or something, but that's really as easy as it is, guys. I hope this has taught you all something, because removing gel polish does not have to hurt your natural nail, and it can be a really easy process. So thank you all for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this in the future. And I'm going to try and get a video up on how to prep your nail for gel polish, hopefully within the next couple days. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and everyone have a great life.